What does the data tell you of flying, and maybe from the charter standpoint or fractional standpoint? What are the presidential years? How does that affect charter operators and charter flying?
Yeah, I mean, it's an interesting question because we look back over 20 years. So we've looked back at the election cycle over the last 20 years, and we've seen essentially a kind of 5% slowdown compared to the normal period in the run-up to the election. So it's really similar to the transactions, because I know the transactions has a similar pattern. And it's hardly surprising that the biggest slowdown is in the charter market, because that's where the discretionary spend is, particularly in the light side of the market. You've also got, which we've seen this year, because we run correlations with all sorts of external factors. We run correlations, let's say, against money supply, IPOs, M&A, equity markets, interest rates. So we know how they correlate, and we can see the slowdown in, let's say, IPOs, and it's hardly surprising. In a run-up to an election, a lot of that business investment decision making is going to get put off, and that is correlating to further slowdown in BizJet activity.